The unique thing about Bengali fish curries is that they're made of few ingredients but they taste delicious, just like this recipe that I'm going to share with you. Let's take a look at the ingredients for the gravy first. We need 2 large tomatoes chopped in small pieces, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves, half a teaspoon of Panch Phoron. The ingredients for this Bengali spice mix is in the description section. 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 dried red chillies, 4 tablespoons of mustard oil, and use a good quality mustard oil, that's very important, and salt to taste. Alright, let's pan fry our fish. Set a pan on medium heat and add enough oil to cover the base of the pan. You can use any fish for this preparation, just make sure to coat them with some salt and turmeric before pan frying them. You will be amazed at the amount of flavor coating with turmeric and salt adds. Try not to over fry the fish because even if it looks nice and crisp, it's going to turn out to be pretty dry. The magical ingredient in Bengali fish curries honestly is mustard oil. If you don't have mustard oil, don't use normal oil. Don't make this fish. Check out some of the other fish recipes that I posted. Okay, let me quickly finish frying all the fish. It's a lot of fish. Okay, now we are ready to make our gravy. I'm adding some more mustard oil to the same pan where we fried the fish. Set the pan on medium heat and add Panch Phoron, dried red chillies. Next, we'll add turmeric powder directly into the oil. That makes a huge difference in flavor compared to adding it to the water. Next, add coriander powder. We'll fry the spices for 10 to 15 seconds to bring out their flavor. Make sure not to burn them. Next, we'll add in chopped tomatoes. We'll add approximately half a teaspoon of salt so the tomatoes start sweating faster. Give that a quick stir. And now we'll place the lid on and let it cook for approximately 5 minutes till the tomatoes get nice and soft and mushy. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, check out some of the recipes, and if you like it, consider subscribing. Alright, the tomatoes look nice and soft. What we want to do at this point is turn up the heat and keep stirring this till all the liquid dries up and the tomato looks pasty. Like that. Now add in half a cup of water and we are going to add in the red chilli powder. It's better to add red chilli powder directly into water than to add it to oil because sometimes when you fry it in oil, it turns bitter. I'm going to add another half a cup of water to adjust the consistency of the gravy. Yeah, I like it better like this. Now place the lid on and let the gravy simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we'll check for salt and add salt as needed. Did you notice we did not add onion, garlic, ginger? You don't need anything. This is so tasty as it is. Next, add all the fish in and make sure that the fish is coated nicely with all the gravy. My sister made this curry last time I visited her and I was blown away by how good it tasted. We want to place the lid on and cook this for just 2 minutes. And we are almost done. We are going to garnish with coriander leaves, and one very important last step is to add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. This tastes amazing with steaming hot white rice. Simple yet delicious. That's all for today, my friends. Have you subscribed to my channel yet? Don't say no. You should. I post exciting recipes every week. You wouldn't want to miss that. And do press that notification bell so my next recipe comes straight to you. If you're on any of these different social media sites, I'm going to be waiting to say hello. If you like written recipes instead of videos, you can always visit my blog. All the links are in the description. Alright then, see you next week. Bye-bye.